Welcome to the video. So in this video I have a server, Ubuntu server. Let me check the status of that. Let me check this version of that. This is Ubuntu 16.04, right? So I'll be migrating it to 24.04. So let's check the process how we can migrate this OS migration from 16 to 24. Let's see how we can migrate it. So when we before we migrate, let's see what are the services which are running in this server. So I have MySQL server, systemctl status, MySQL. I have MySQL server, and what the version of that MySQL server? Let's check version. Okay, it is version 14.0 14.14 version, right? So I'll be upgrading this server from 16 to 24, Ubuntu 24. So for migrating, to look in any databases are there in this VM. Let me check that in this MySQL server. Let's see any databases are there. Yeah, I have one database. This is my DB, like which I created, and if I check that what is there in my DB, so there are three users in my DB. So when I upgrade this server, after upgradation, this user should be there in the MySQL server. That's the motto. Like I'll be upgrading from 16 to 18. Like it will not happen from 16 to 24. It will happen from 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 20, 22 to 24. So it's a individual process, like individual step by step we have to upgrade it rather than one jump. Like within one jump we can't upgrade it. From 16 to 24 we can't go. From 16 to 18 we need to go first, and then after that we need to go to 18 to 20, and then after that 20 to 22, after that 22 to 24. That's how it will function. So how do we upgrade? To upgrade the server, so I have a couple of commands. I've written blog around it. I'll provide the blog in the description also. You'll find the blog there. So for upgrading the server, these are the commands: sudo apt get upgrade -y. This will upgrade the packages which are there in the server. Let's see what it does. So after upgrading command, so we need to run a couple of commands here. So I've given everything in the document blog. I've written a blog around it. I'll provide the blog in the description. You can possibly follow the blog and you can do the same activity which I'm doing here in this video. So we need to upgrade mm, distribution also. Apt get dist upgrade. Just some of the commands which you need to run to upgrade the server from 16 to 24. Just auto remove the packages which are not used. Auto apt get auto remove. Mm, Once this is done, we have to run this command to update the core packages, update the core system. We have to install the core update manager core to check the, okay, it is already there. Okay, now okay, now we have to check, in this etc, etc etc update manager, mm, release upgrade. We need to check if it is, if TLS is prompt, TLS. We need to check this. This should be TLS. So we have to be careful with this. And after that, like Ubuntu, when you put TLS, right? No, not TLS, LTS. Sorry. When you put LTS, Ubuntu will look for latest release. So that's how it will try to figure out latest release. So after that, we need to run sudo do release upgrade. This is the command to upgrade the Ubuntu server. Let's see if it's successful, then our server get upgraded. It is installing packages now. It is upgrading. Let's see if it upgrades or any issues are there. Let's see if it finishes. It will take some amount of time. Let it finish. Let's wait for it to finish. After that, same process we need to continue till 24. Let it run. Yeah, let it run. Downloading modules and packages. So many packages, so many modules, right? So yeah, let it run to finish. After that, we'll try to check the version of Ubuntu and then try to check if MySQL server is running or not. And our users are available in database. Try to see that. Once it completes, then we'll try to see that. So it is taking Ubuntu 18.04, right? 16 to 18 it will go, and then after that 18 to 20 we need to do for 18 to 20. You just need to run one command. That's it. Again, it will prompt for yes. I need to press yes. I don't want to change the MySQL server version, so that's what I pressed yes. So not to change the MySQL server version. Ask for restart at the end of the upgrade. So we need to restart the server also once. Searching for obsolete softwares. We need to remove. So 33 packages are getting removed. Yes, yes for that. Remove the package and upgrade the packages which will remove the packages which are not useful in the upcoming versions, or maybe upgrade in the upcoming versions. It will remove the modules and required modules and all. Let's try to see if it is get completed. From 16 to 18 it will go. Again I need to press yes. It will restart automatically. It has restarted actually. So let's wait for it to come up. Let's see. Let's log in from another tab. Let's see. That there's the IP. Ubuntu. Let me not provide key. It will take automatically. I'm in the server. Let's switch to sudo. Let's check the version. It is 18.04. I upgraded from 16.04 to 18.04 now. Okay. We can check version by this also. cat etc os release, and also by a hostname ctl we can get the version. Hostname ctl will also give the kernel version, like what kernel I am using. So now to upgrade from 18.04 to 20.04, we can't go from 18. to 24.04 directly. We need to go by step, right? For doing that we need to go to 20.04. So for going to 20.04 we need to click, just press one command. This is the command, sudo do release upgrade. That's it. Before that, let's check the MySQL server status. Is running. Same version it is running. So okay. So MySQL is not change anything. Let's move to 20.04 now. So it will go from 20.04, 18.04 to 20.04. Now I think MySQL will break somewhere. So for if it breaks, then we know how to resolve the issues of MySQL getting broken. Because there are some changes uh, which are deprecated in 20.04 from 18 to 18.004 to 20.04. There are some things which are deprecated. Need to press yes. Why? That's it. From 18.04 to 20.04 it will go. So let's wait for it to get completed. Once it is completed, let's see if it got upgraded to 20.04. Let's see how it goes. Let's wait for it. Again the server will restart at the end of the upgrade. Can't do anything here till it gets completed. Let's wait for it to get completed. So it is getting upgraded to 20.04. Asking us to reboot the system. Let's reboot the system. It's running. Let's wait for it to get completed. After it runs successfully, then we have to reboot the system again. We'll throw some error with a MySQL DB, so we have to rectify that. We'll try to rectify that MySQL DB issue. There's some error. Let's check the version. It's 20.04. It has got upgraded. Let's restart the server. Now let's update the server. Update the packages which are there. And let's reboot the server. It did come up, and after that, let's try to check the MySQL version. It takes some time because I rebooted the system, right? It will take some time to come up. Let's become sudo. And let's check the host name. CTL. It is 20.04. Now let's check the status of MySQL server. It's running. Let's get into MySQL server and then try to see if our those users are there or not. Let's try to get into MySQL server and then try to check that. Get into MySQL server. Password is root, and then try to see if those users are there or not. Use DB. Mm, to check users, let me. Okay, they are there, right? So I don't have any issues with MySQL server also. So everything is working fine as of now. We came from 16 to 20 now. So now 20 to 24 we need to go, right? 20 to 24, same process we can follow. Same single command we need to run. Sudo do -release upgrade. What's the issue I'm getting now? Let me check that. I think the OS is not clean. For that we need to our dpkg upgrade we need to do. Let's see sudo dpkg configure, we need to configure, and then configure -a. Is the command for that. I think when we came from 18 to 20, so one package came along with us, so like along with the version which is LXD like client. That package we need, because of that dpkg got freezed. So to remove LXD packages, we can run this command. After that, we have to dpkg configure -a. After that, broken install. We need to update the fix broken install -y. It will upgrade all the it is upgraded, right? So same thing we can follow now. Now we can run the command of sudo upgrade, sudo do a release upgrade. So with the error, we see that 159 not upgraded. This package is not upgraded. So to update the packages of these 159, so we need to disk upgrade it to do apt get dist upgrade -y. The dist upgrade will upgrade the stubborn packages also, it upgrades complete system actually. So yeah, forcefully it will try to update all the packages which are available in the Ubuntu server. It will forcefully install all the necessary required package in the server. Forcefully upgrade all the packages in the server. After that, we need to apt auto remove -y to remove unwanted packages which are there. After that, we need to reboot the server. After rebooting, we need to run again the upgrade command. Upgrade command, it will run fine now. Let's reboot the server. After rebooting, let it come up, and after that, we need to update the package and then upgrade the package. We need to run apt update and need to run apt upgrade. Let it come back online. Let's run apt update apt upgrade. These two commands. Let's run. Or sudo we need to do, right? Okay, because I am now. Let's run the upgrade command. It should go now. It's upgrading. Let's wait for it to get updated. Did it complete? Let's wait for it to get completed. going from 20 to 22 now. Let's wait for it to get completed. I'm in server. Uh, okay. Let's wait for it to get completed to 1 to 22. Let's switch to some other tab. Try to reboot the system whenever it says reboot the system at your own convenience. Fifty-seven packages are going to be removed. 57 packages are going to be removed. So for yes, I want to continue. Yes. Okay. It will restart anyway. So once it restarts, let's check the version of our host OS. Let's wait for it to get completed, and let's wait for it to get connected. Let's wait. It's connected. Mm, Switch to sudo. Host name ctl is 22. Now from 16 to 22 we came. Now we want to go to 24. Let's check the status of our MySQL server. MySQL server, MySQL version. Let's check the version. Oh, so it got upgraded. Okay, let's check. Let's log in into the server and try to see if our database and all everything is there or not. Let's try to log in into our MySQL server and try to see. Root. Okay. Now let's see. Let's check if our database is there or not. Our database and users are there or not. Mm, Check database. Need to click this command. Show databases. It is there. And if users are there in that database, yes, there are users. So I don't have any issues with MySQL server running in this server, right? Even if it goes from 16 to 22, from 22 to 24, it needs to go. So to go to 22 to 24, we need to run the same command. Sudo, right, do release upgrade. Yeah, that's all. Now we'll try to remove some packages which are I've deprecated, and try to install new packages which are required for 24 version. So let's wait for it to get completed. Need to press yes now again. Continue. We need to press again yes. Reboot recommended, yeah. Reboot, that system will be rebooted, yeah. Did it happen? Again, after the upgrade, we need to check into MySQL DB and then try to see if users are there or not. I don't want to use my MySQL server, so I want my MySQL server to be intact as it is as it was in 16 version, right? Want in 24 version also the same way. I don't want to lose a single bit of users or single bit of information also from MySQL server. So I want everything intact. If whenever I upgrade the server, I don't want to lose anything which are already existing in the server. So you want 24.04 package, yeah. So 24.04 is the latest Ubuntu as of now. So that's what we upgraded to from 16 to 24. So the process is it doesn't upgrade from 16 to 24 altogether at once. It will go by step. It will go from 16 to 18. It will go from one version to another version by single versions, like one version at a time. 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 20, 22, and 22 to 24. 51 package will be removed. Yeah, so it will remove all the deprecated packages which are there in 22 version and install all the packages which are required in 24 version. To finish the upgrade as restart is required. If you select yes, the system will restart. Yeah, let it restart. I don't mind if it restarts. You have to verify after it restarts. You have to verify the version and also verify the MySQL version and try to check if the database is there and try to check if the users are in database. There are certain tasks which you need to do after the server comes up. It will come up. Take some time, but it will come up. Because I've rebooted, right? So it will take some time, but it will come up. Let's check this version. It's 24.04, right? Yeah. So kernel version also changed. It was 5.5 or something. It was, so kernel version also changed at when we change it to 24 version, right? So kernel version also changes, and then let's check the database version. Database version is same, but it was, when it was 16, it was 14.004, right? It was very old version of MySQL, but it changed when we change it to 24 version, because that is deprecated in 24. That version is deprecated in 24. It will not support 24 version server with that old server, right? Let's check if users are there in the database. Let's get into database. Use our DB. Okay. Let's check if database is there. Database is there. That's why we are able to use it, right? So yeah. And let's check the users. Their users are also there. So I wanted to cover this thing, like we upgraded from 16 to 24, step by step, like version to version we upgraded. Now not directly from 16 to 24. It won't happen anyway. But we upgraded from 16 to 24 by 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 22, 22 to 24. So complete server we were able to upgrade from 16 to latest version of Ubuntu. So this is how we upgrade. Ubuntu server from 16 to 24. This is a process of upgrading. So there are a couple of errors which you get in between. So we have to rectify those errors, such as related to packages which are, full upgrade didn't happen. So I need to re-trigger full upgrade, and then dpkg that upgrade, dpkg hyphen configure hyphen ai I need to do, right. Those kind of thing I need to use commands, and I have to rectify those issues. And dpkg that we var log dpk that var log folder gets logged due to dpkg has been used by some other process. So we have to rectify all those errors, and then we have to upgrade the servers uh, by following all the steps which I covered in this video. You might have some, you might face some other issues also, but I would suggest you to Google and try to see if those issues can be resolved or not. Issues can be resolved anyway. Not, I can't say not, because issues are there to be resolved. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for watching.